I'm not even sure where to start to tell you all how amazing this house is. It is almost 3,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a triple car garage, and the views are absolutely stunning. You can see the North Platte River and Casper Mountain. This house is situated on a corner lot, and there's even more: RV parking, a sprinkler system, mature landscaping, and wait till you see the inside. Right as you walk in the front door, you are going to see all of the extra special touches that has been put on this house, starting with this bench, all these cubbies, and a place to hang your coat. Not only is this living room super inviting, but there's also a touch of elegance with this gas fireplace and the rock wall. You all know how much I love kitchens with tall upper cabinets. This kitchen is absolutely stunning. Hard surface countertops, lots of cabinets, and this super nice backsplash. Not only does this island add extra storage, but it also is the perfect place for people to gather while you're cooking or cleaning up after a great dinner. And there's even more storage in this huge pantry. Another one of my favorite features of this house is that it has that split floor plan. So there's 2 bedrooms and then a bathroom on this side of the house, opposite from the master. And since we're talking about this bathroom has been completely remodeled from the tub to the tile surround. Look at that absolutely great inset to put shampoo or soap or whatever you would like there. Tile on the floor, a new vanity with a hard surface countertop. Not only is this a gorgeous feature of the home, but inside is the main floor laundry. It's right off the garage and right off the master bedroom. There's storage and some shiplap and a shelf. And now for the master suite. This is a great sized bedroom, but the surprise is in the master bath. This is one of the nicest bathrooms I have seen in a home this price. Not only is there a new vanity with double sinks, you have a soaker tub with the jets. Just look at the tile work in this shower. Again, you have the inset for your shampoo and soap. The closet is off of the bathroom and has custom built-ins with areas for shoes and cabinets and shelving. Doesn't this just scream relaxation? Not only is this family room spacious enough for a sectional couch, but you have a wet bar with shelving, more cabinets, and more drawers, and lots of counter space. Hard surface countertops and gorgeous tile backsplash. And the third bath in the basement is updated as well. Double sinks, solid surface countertops, soaker tub, and again, the gorgeous tile surround. The kids' play yard stays, and the niceness continues to the backyard. There's a lot of shrubbery and greenery, and you're gonna love sitting on the patio. You are going to absolutely love the views from this home. We would love to show it to you. It's not gonna last long. You're gonna love how perfect this home is. So call us today. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.